Nature Trails with CJACEY!
Part 2 of a few. Well guys, you might be mistaken for hearing the sounds of a cool evening in Australia or America. But no, we're on a building site near Stonehenge, everybody. Thought I'd bring you another episode of Nature Trails just to show you how nature finds ways to live everywhere, reclaim the land that is being took over by us humans, and when we finish with it, they'll take it back as well. Now, I don't want to annoy Mr. B, so I'm not getting any closer to him. I've already got a bit close to comfort. I don't think I'll be able to get a sight of any of those crickets that are making that noise, or whatever insect they are. Can't actually see one because they're so well camouflaged. There's another fly there. Where's he gone? He's just sitting on that flower there. Oh, I can't see the flower on. Oh, there he is. Look at that gorgeous little boy sat there. I don't think it'll zoom in on him or focus. It's trying to focus now, but it won't because it's zoomed in. There he is. Absolutely fabulous, guys. And this is just a tiny portion of the area. Another bee here. I'll go and find somewhere else interesting and add part 2 of the video. Right guys, I've spotted a beautiful white butterfly. I'm just carefully trying to creep up on him while he's... oh no. Don't think I'm going to get much closer, so he's relaxed again now on the leaf there. I'll have to zoom in. I'm not sure what type he is. Let me know in the comments. Oh, he's off again. He's very restless, this guy. Always on the move. No, we're not going to get him. Well, after a bit of patience, I've managed to catch his friend. I'm not going to move any more closer. There he is, in all his beauty. Let me know in the comments what kind of butterfly it is, or what species. And I'll be happy to hear from you. See you later, buddy. Well guys, I stand corrected. Sorry about the poor quality, it's because I'm zoomed in. But there we have one of the crickets, guys. One of those noisy little animals rubbing his hind legs. I don't know whether it's a mating call or a communication call. I suppose it has many different meanings. Territorial, stating his presence. Let me try and zoom out so I can get the detail sharper. Right, let's go in. He's probably going to jump. As long as he doesn't jump my way, everything will be okay. Oh, get it. Oh, he's seen me. Oh dear. It's alright, buddy. Look at that, guys. Fascinating. Or what? Oh. There you go, focused again. How close does he want me to get? He's very friendly. Absolutely stunning, guys. What a better way to end Nature Trails with CJC. part 2. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget you can check out my daily vlogs on my YouTube channel as well. Oh My Trucking Life is what they're under, the playlist. I'm CJC from CJACEY Vlogs. If you like what you've seen, don't forget to share it, tell a friend to tell a friend. And I will see you soon.